time to put away the hot logic. Clear off some counter space for my brand new toy. My copper titanium 22-inch griddle by Bella. Let's unbox this puppy. This morning, I went to Walmart early about 6:30, and I went to get a new space heater for the upstairs bathroom, and I wound up walking out with this jewel. About 2 years ago, our countertop griddle got all grungy, so we threw it away, and we never got another one because I had the Hot Logics and all my other toys. But the wife had been mentioning that she would like to have another griddle. So I said, why not? This is just your basic 22-inch griddle. There's nothing really fancy about it. Comes with a little direction book, and most likely there's probably some recipes or whatever in there. It's your typical instruction book and your cord with the thermostat. That's about it. But would I really be a good YouTube creator, content creator, if I didn't share it with my new purchases with my peeps? There we go. Simply plug it in. Plug it into the wall. Now, since this is brand new, we're going to wipe her down. And this thing is totally submergible, from what I understand. Once you unplug it, you can put this whole thing in the dishwasher, just like any other griddle. It has a slide-out tray. This tray is to catch all your run-over, your grease, your runoff. Now, some people, if this thing is clean on the inside, and you want to make a gravy, sometimes that runoff from whatever you're cooking, whether it be pork chops, ribs, hamburgers, you can catch some of that runoff and help make your roux for your gravy. But that's your choice. Wipe this thing down, and she's ready to go. And she will go up to 400 degrees. Let's see how fast it takes for it to get hot. She's already getting hot. Since she's already getting hot, you know how we do it here, this and that. Let's grab a couple of eggs and see what she's working with. You know what? I was just about to put oil on this out of habit. But since this is non-stick, let's put some of the non-stick features to the test. Get rid of all this excess. I don't know about y'all, but out of habit, I usually keep my box and my packing material when I buy something new for a couple of weeks, just in case it malfunctions or I find out I don't like it. So in the comment section, if y'all don't mind, tell me if y'all get rid of your boxes immediately, and what do you do if you have to return your item? Or are you like me? Are you old school? Do you keep your box for a couple of weeks just in case you have to return it? So put that in the comment section if you don't mind. All right, this thing should be warm by now. Doesn't get hot quite as fast as I like it. It's been warming up now for about a minute. That's why I keep the boxes, just in case I don't like the performance. She can always go back to the store. We can do something different. I'm gonna try to always use glass utensils on this one. I think one of the problems we had with our other one, we scratched off some of the non-stick surface because I would grab whatever utensil I had handy, and I'm trying to learn not to do that anymore. It's definitely non-stick. Little salt, little pepper. My high blood pressure should appreciate that salt. Not quite as fast as I would like. All right, fam. I usually give an appliance that I'm reviewing a score of 1 to 10. Us here, this and that, give it an 8. We give it a 7, or we give it a thumbs down. On this time, I'm gonna let y'all give me a score. You tell me what you think. It's taking me about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes to cook these eggs. Now, it's non-stick, just like they say. This thing will work in a crunch. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think it was maybe 39 bucks at Walmart, something like that. But y'all tell me in the comment section, what do you think? On a scale of 1 to 10, y'all see what happened here? Go ahead and cut it off, let it cool down. Tell me what you think about it. So, as usual, if y'all like this video, y'all give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumb down and a brief reason in the comment section so we can improve. And if you like what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Take care. Have a great day, great week, great month. Peace. Easy cleanup. I ain't mad at that.